Good morning. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how we can use marbles to perform different activities. To perform activities through marbles, materials required are 8 to 10 marbles, a bowl, 3 to 4 bottles with small caps, a spoon and a shoebox. That's it. First activity is named as marble spoon activity. For this, all you need is a bottle, a spoon, a bowl and 8 to 10 marbles. Now ask your child to pick a marble from the bowl with the help of spoon and put it into the bottle. Repeat it for at least 10 to 15 counts. This activity helps the child in building attention, concentration, eye-hand coordination and also helps in scooping, transferring object from one to another. Second activity is named as number play with marbles. For this, materials required are 8 to 10 marbles, a bowl, 3 to 4 bottles. Take 3 to 4 bottles and mark number between 1 to 10 on each bottle, or you can write any number on the bottle. Make sure your kid know that number which you are writing on the bottle. Number 4, number 2, number 3. Now ask your child to look at the number which is written on the bottle and put the same number marbles into it. Four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This activity helps the child in building attention, concentration, eye-hand coordination, number concepts and tip-to-tip prehension. Third activity is named as balancing through marbles. For this, materials required are a bottle, 4 to 5 marbles. Take a bottle and 4-5 marbles and now fill the bottle with sand or half of water so that it will not move. Now place the bottle on the floor and ask your child to stand near to the bottle. Now give him her a marble and ask him to put the marble into the bottle by using her toes. Repeat this activity at least 8 to 10 times. This activity helps the child to increase gross motor skills, balancing, strengthening of lower extremities, attention, concentration, and coordination. Fourth activity is named as passing the marbles. For this, all you need is a shoebox and 8 to 10 marbles. To set up this imitation, first take a shoebox. Now make a hole at one end of the shoebox, which is a bit larger than the marble size. Now put all the marbles on the top of the box and place the another part of the box down on the table. Now ask your child to hold the box with both of his hands and move the marbles and pass them gently through the hole. This activity helps the child to enhance attention, concentration, focus, and increasing bilateral coordination.